welcome to Lochland 4x4, and on part 2.5, we are having fun.
What's he got to do through here?
To the other side.
He's already sending it.
Right, watch out, boy. Easy, bro. As you can see, the amount of water flowing through, you got to be careful because if the water gets in your snorkel, it's not good for your tyres. No. It just doesn't make any sense. So like, you just got to make sure that, yeah, full speed ahead.
That's a solid week ago. The rain came through here.
If I get bogged, it's because of my light covers.
So news has just come in. Derek did that whole thing with his handbrake on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the situation now,
I'm rolling backwards.
flexed out.
It's the Hiluxes love to do that. See, look, she loves the flex, boy.
Yeah. Oh.
She is flexing like the sickest dogs. Like, what was the dog's name?
The driver's Lockie here.
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy?
Well, nailed the sand. Piece of piss, you know. The old G-Wagon, you know, DFGs in the sand, they just flick the sand out of the way.
You should probably sponsor us.
You plug your through down here, you can see another sponsor of ours, EFS. This rig is fully kitted out with EFS suspension. Makes it ride smooth. Here we come to the real prize of the night. This is tucked the wheel in so well, you couldn't fit a 10-cent piece up in there. She's that packed. You just gotta love a rig like this.
You clown.
I'm just checking the oil.
Time to recover Derek.
First time for everything, eh?
If you get bogged, you had to kiss a dog. Unlucky for Derek. He's not happy about, eh? With the tree trunk protector put in courtesy of XTM. Change plans, David?
Yeah, you see, if we look at the gradient of this incline, with the help of gravity above, we should be able just to pull straight over. Cooch. B of Goodrich loved the Cooch. Just the tread makes it fit right in the gaps. Zero wear. A little bit of rain. That's good. Cooch don't get slippery. So we're just gonna hit it forward and it's gonna be merry days. How the Cooch grass just lovely, took it up so easily. This will come back so good. Like the Cooch loves this stuff. We didn't even leave any marks because the Cooch just has that grip, that beautiful grip.
XTM, saved their life.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! What? Back it up just a little bit. Yeah, mate, that looks better. Huh?
This car's just on an angle.
No.
Holy shit, it's high up here.
I wonder.
Is this where you're going to park up and set up camp?
Yep.
It's most likely going to rain. There's room under here. You chuck your swag in. Perfect.
Now let go.
So what suspension is it?
This is Toyota Hilux suspension.
Factory?
No one knows. Really mystery.
We'd like it to be ARB, but you know.
There's no such thing as ARB suspension.
Old man in here, sorry.
Come on.